guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to be sharing with you my fall and Halloween Dollar Tree shopping haul. Today my daughter and I stopped by two Dollar Trees, and the second one we stopped by, we met the sweetest lady named Betty working at Dollar Tree, and she even went in the back and got out a couple boxes for us of Halloween and fall ribbon. So in just a second, I'm going to share with you what all I bought. Yesterday, Dawn sent me a message and told me about the pretty fall ribbon at Dollar Tree, and she showed me a picture of this ribbon with a little red truck. So I told my daughter I wanted to stop by Dollar Tree today and see if we could find any. And so at the first store we stopped by, we didn't find anything. And so I was really kind of worried we wouldn't find anything today. But at the second store, like I said, we met the sweetest lady, Betty, and she went in the back and got out two boxes of ribbon for us. So I was so happy to find this with a cute little red truck full of pumpkins in the back. And this is 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and it's 3 yards. And so I also picked up this one, the little buffalo plaid check or gingham check. It's kind of a rust color with the tan checked in it. And then I got this real pretty ribbon for fall. And then I got some solids also. I got the green and the orange. And then I got this with glitter on it. And I can't remember if this one was in the Halloween box or the fall box. And then for Halloween, I picked up this one right here, the Harlequin checked ribbon. Sorry guys if you hear Miss Belle in the background. She's kind of having a rough day. So most of you know Miss Belle. She's my little chihuahua that's 13 years old. So I'm sorry if you hear her. She's really needing some prayers. So if you don't mind saying a little prayer for Miss Belle, I would appreciate it. And here's some more of my Halloween ribbon. And I really love the ribbon this year. I think this one's a new one. At least I didn't see it last year. So let me know if this is new for 2020. And then also this one with the bats. I don't remember seeing this one either last year. And then this one is really cute. It says like spooky and boo and haunted and trick or treat. And then this one says happy Halloween. And then I've got this one that just has the spider webs that are white, and then this one has the spider webs with the spider on it and says happy Halloween. And these are the colors that I found in the 6-inch deco mesh, and each roll has 5 yards, and usually when I make a wreath it takes 6 of each color, or 6 rolls usually when I make a wreath. So I did try to pick up 6 of each color here. Now they do have more colors, especially in the Halloween. They have some that's like this but has the purple in it, and some that has the black stripe in it. And then I believe they have, in the deco mesh in the fall, I think they also had a brown and maybe one other color, but I'm not real sure. I picked up 2 packages of the Shatterproof Halloween ornaments, and there's 5 ornaments in each package. Some of them do have glitter on them, and some of them have the spider web with glitter in orange. So I picked up 2 packages of those. And then I found this adorable candle holder, and it is ceramic. And so you can put a little short Dollar Tree LED candle in the back, and that will look so cute. And then they also have, again this year, the little witch hat headbands, and they had these in a few colors. And these are one of my favorites to add to wreaths. And then again this year they have the large glitter spiders. They have these, I believe, in 3 colors this year. And I finally found one of the little black cat wreaths. I have been looking for this for like 3 years now, so I finally found one. Next, I found a few Halloween signs. Now, I could not find any fall signs today, so hopefully I will soon. But I did find 3 Halloween signs. Now I think most of these are repeats from last year, but they're just so cute that I could not pass them up. I've used this one before in a wreath. The witch is in. I just thought it was so cute. And then I've also used this jack-o'-lantern sign before too, but I thought it was really pretty. And then something new that I found are these 6-count lights up string lights. And they're little eyeballs, so I picked up one of those. I think these witch hat wreath forms were new last year, and so my daughter found me a few of these today. And then we weren't able to find the pumpkin wreath forms that were so popular last year, but I did order some online at Dollar Tree. And then as far as signs go, I'd forgotten about this. I did find this little Hello Autumn sign, and I love that it has a little border. I love the pumpkins on each end. So you can hang that on your wall if you would like. And then I found a few new floral picks today too. I like the soft pale yellow. It's got the berries on the end. And then I found some sunflower clips. And they have these, I believe, in 3 colors. And they're really pretty big. They're 6.5 inch. And they have the clip on the back. And then another new find, I found a cutting mat today at Dollar Tree. And now I know these aren't Halloween or fall, but I found some wooden picture frames. So I can't decide if I'm going to paint these or do some Mod Podge. So I picked up 3 of these, and they've got the little sticks so that you can make it stand up. And then I also picked up some Mod Podge. Okay guys, so I think that's it for my fall and Halloween decor haul. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope everyone's feeling good and staying safe. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thanks so much for watching.